Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to post on Redbubble. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to be able to post on Redbubble, of course you're going to have to create your account. Right now I already have an account, but to be able to create an account is very easy. I'm going to log out for now. Over here, I'm going to go to our homepage. Go log out. Yes, I'm sure, so that we could demonstrate to you how you could get started on Redbubble absolutely from scratch. As you can see here, you have two options. You have your login and sign up. You're simply going to click on sign up if you don't have your account. And over here, you choose to either create an account as an artist or as a customer sign up. Now, if you would like to post something on Redbubble, of course, you're going to have to create an artist sign up. You're going to have to select this option so that you can set up your store and start selling your design and technically be able to post on Redbubble. All you need to do is to enter your email over here, shop name, password, and simply click on sign up over here, and you will be able to start your account in Redbubble. Now I'm going to go back to our original account over here. Let's log back in and let's proceed on how you will be able to create your own products. As you can see, now we're back here on Redbubble. Now to be able to add some posts or how to post your own design and start selling them on Redbubble, you're going to have to click your profile over here and click on sell your art. Now there is a lot of steps before you will be able to start posting and start selling in Redbubble. As you can see here, you have to create products. There is a quota of how many products or how many designs you should upload before you can finish this off. You have a quota of 5 designs to upload before you finish the create product section. And over here, set up your shop, you're going to have to add a profile picture, add a cover image, add social links, and add a bio over here. After that, you're going to have to verify information to get paid with the products that you're going to sell. Of course, you're going to add your name and address, confirm your email, confirm your phone number or your mobile phone number over here, and then add your payment details such as your credit card, debit card, or your bank details. And after that, you will be able to create your account. And after doing that, you will be able to start posting in Redbubble and people will be able to start your products or rather start seeing the products that you have posted and start buying them. But you can already add a product already, but you won't be able to proceed to set up your store yet, but you can create and add your product right away by simply clicking on add designs over here or add new work over here. When you click on add new work, you have two options. You have upload new work or copy an existing work. Over here on the add new work, you could upload a JPEG, PNG, or a GIF file with a minimum of 1000 pixel resolution. So I suggest when you're creating an output or a design, you should have a pixel resolution higher than 1000 so that you have a high quality image. You could also use and copy the same product and design placement from another design which is used or which is very useful for creating variants for your own product that already exists in your shop. So for us, of course, we're new, so we're going to add our first product over here. So our first work. So if you click that, and you will be able to upload your design. So if you're wondering where you could create your own design, but if you already have a design, if you already have a platform, you can simply upload it here and proceed with the tutorial. But for those who doesn't know where to get started, how to create their amazing design, I would suggest that you use Canva. Canva is an amazing platform that offers a lot of elements that you could put together to create amazing outputs that you could start selling on any e-commerce platform and start your dropshipping business with them as well. As you can see here on my history or recent designs, I already created several designs myself, as you can see here. So we will also demonstrate on how you could use Canva to work with Redbubble. Now, in Canva, you should be going to click on create design over here on the top right, and you're going to click on custom size. Like what we said earlier, I suggest that you create, or Redbubble suggests that you create your images with 1000 pixel resolution over here. So we're going to create a resolution that is over 1000. So I have 1920 by 1920 so that we have a 1 by 1 square over here. Now we're going to create our design in this section. We're simply going to go to elements over here. You have elements, uploads, and text. You can combine these three features of Canva together to create an amazing output. In elements, you can simply search whatever topic that you want and it will show you different elements that you could use for your output. On the upload, of course, you could upload images that you already have. And in text, you could use different types of font over here to improve your output. Now going back here in the elements, let's think of a topic. Let's say we would like our topic to be wave. So let's simply search for a wave. Just like that, click on search and you will be able to see the different graphics over here. Now this seems very plain, so let's add something else to our keyword over here. Japanese wave. Now we have a better output over here. We have some unique outputs. So you can now take an element over here, put this in this section, and then you have an output. Now you can combine this with different types of elements that we have. Combine it with this one, for example. Like that. It's not going to look great, so let's remove that. You could search for different keywords as well. For example, you could search like boat. Let's add this over here below, just like an additional design. Then over here, let's search for boat. Like that, click on graphic, and you will be able to see different types of boat over here. There are different styles, different way of creating. So let's look for something that could fit our design over here. Now, if you don't find any, you could simply search for something else. Let's say Kung Fu. Just like that. And let's search for someone because we could also utilize different elements. Like I said, let's say I would like to create something similar to Avatar. If you're familiar with that show, it is a childhood show that I have watched. So we could use that and combine this with our element over here. Like that. Let's select our character over here. Turn this person into a different color. Or we can settle with this color. And we could use this. Make it flip or over here. Flip vertically. And we have output over here. We could use this together. And just like that. You can combine different elements together to make an output look great. Now, this is very small and not a lot of details, so I suggest that you think of another topic and combine a lot of different things together. And eventually, you will be able to create an output that is going to be amazing. So, for example, this one, you can also use this one over here. Now, for me, I'm going to use one of my designs that I already created before. So, I'm simply going to go back home and go back here to my recent designs. And for example, this one over here. Simply going to open this and we have our design over here. We could use this or this one or this one over here. So, for example, I'm going to download the first one. Click on download by clicking on share over here. I'm going to select page 1. Page 1, done, and download. And we will be able to download this specific image that I have created. Just like that. And going back here, upload it here. Just wait for it. There we go. And upload. And now we can put in the title of our product. Tags over here, description, the media over here, let's say digital art, painting and mixed media. And over here below, you could select the product type that you would like to sell your product into. You have t-shirts, you have hats, you have stickers and magnets, phone cases and skins, pillows, you have print cards and all of these different products over here. You can simply select the product or the specific type of product that you would like to start selling your created artwork in, and you will be able to post it after selecting the specific product that you have selected. Over here below, you have painting and mixed media, digital art, and then over here, what's your content? No, you have to agree with the Redbubble user agreement, and simply click on save work. You have to enter your title, so we're simply going to go back here and let's add our title. Let's say space, and go back here, click on save work, and we will be able to add our work and post it in Redbubble. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to start posting your work in Redbubble. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.